Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In today's video, we would be quickly discussing about the strategic and tactical airlifters, and we will also see the intention behind the Airbus and Antonov to offer their airlifters to India. Indian Air Force has many strategic and tactical airlifters in its fleet, and it is also in need for more tactical airlifters with strategic capabilities. To name few airlifters which form this type of category in Indian Air Force fleets are the Ilyushin IL-76, the Boeing C-17 Globemaster, the C-130J Super Hercules. So before getting into more details about these airlifters, let us quickly understand what is the difference between a strategic airlifter and a tactical airlifter. A strategic airlifter is the use of military transport aircraft to transport material, weaponry, or personnel over long distances. Typically, this involves airlifting the required items between two air bases which are not in the same vicinity. To name few strategic airlifters, the Airbus A400M Atlas, Antonov AN-124, Antonov AN-225, Boeing C-17 Globemaster, the Ilyushin IL-76, and Lockheed Martin C-5 Galaxy. These are the few names which fall in the category of strategic airlifters. Now coming to tactical airlifters. Tactical airlifter is a military term for the airborne transportation of supplies and equipment within a theater of operations. These are typically turboprop aircraft and it feature a short landing and takeoff distances and low pressure tires. These type of capability or features allows operations from small or a poorly prepared airstrips. While these airlifters lack the speed and range of strategic airlifters, which are typically jet powered, but these capabilities are invaluable within the war zones. To name few tactical airlifters, the Antonov AN-12, the Antonov AN-72, Kawasaki C-2, Lockheed Martin C-130J Hercules, the Embraer KC-390. So these were the few names which falls into the tactical airlifter categories. So coming to Indian Air Force news, there are many offers coming in from Airbus and Antonov for their transport aircrafts, and Airbus are offering the C-295 medium transport aircraft and A400M Atlas turboprop military transport aircrafts. Coming to Antonov of Ukraine, this Ukraine aircraft company has offered its AN-132, which is a new light multipurpose transport aircraft, which is a modernized version of the AN-32 cargo plane. In Boeing, the best choice would be the C-17 Globemaster III, which Indian Air Force already owns. But as we all know, Boeing stopped manufacturing the C-17 Globemaster by 2015 due to lack of fresh orders. The 276th and the final C-17 Globemaster was purchased by Indian Air Force after the production of this particular airlifter was stopped by Boeing Defense. The final Boeing C-17 Globemaster heavy lift jet, which was added to Indian Air Force fleet, was equipped with India-specific systems before it came to India. Due to its proven capability, Indian Air Force is still eyeing to procure two used C-17 from the US Air Force Reserve. Now coming back to the offers from Airbus, with close to securing the final contract worth $2 billion for its C-295 medium transport aircraft from both Indian Air Force and Indian Coast Guard, Airbus has now offered India its A400M Atlas turboprop military transport aircraft as a proper substitute for C-17 and also to replace the aging Ilyushin IL-76 MD. As per the defense sources, Due to budget constraints for Indian Air Force, it is looking forward to ink the contract for C-295 military transport aircraft soon, and it might be thinking about acquiring the Airbus A400M Atlas at a later stage. The Airbus C-295 is a twin turboprop tactical military transport aircraft which is currently manufactured by Airbus Defence and Space in Spain. Indian Air Force will be operating 56 C-295W, and the order for 56 C-295 was finalized on 13th May 2015, out of which 16 will be brought in flyaway condition and the remaining 40 will be manufactured in India in partnership with Tata Advanced Systems. In March 2019, as price negotiations were concluded, the order was raised to a total of 62 with 6 aircrafts for Indian Coast Guard. Many defense analysts believe that C-295 medium transport aircraft, which is being procured to replace the aging Hawker Siddeley HS-748, will also be replacing the Antonov AN-32 fleet. And all this is due to the Make in India option provided by Airbus. The Airbus military thinks that C-295 and A400M Atlas will be a good option for boosting the payload and range capability which Indian Air Force might be looking. It will also help Indian Air Force to replace the retiring AN-32, HS-748 Avro and IL-76 airlifters from its fleet. All we can do is to just wait for a confirmation from the defense side and the Indian Air Force. So that was an update from the defense side on the various strategic and tactical airlifters in the Indian Air Force fleet. And we also saw the offers from Airbus and Antonov to include their airlifters in Indian Air Force. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.